Welcome to the introduction to Microsoft Azure, unleashing the power of cloud computing. Azure is Microsoft's public cloud platform, offering a wide range of services including Platform as a Service, PaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, and managed database capabilities. With over 200 products and cloud services, Azure allows you to build, run, and manage applications across multiple clouds, on-premises, and at the edge. Let's explore some key points about Azure. It was launched on February 1, 2010, significantly later than its main competitor, AWS. Azure follows a pay-per-use model, allowing you to pay only for the services you opt for. Interestingly, 80% of the Fortune 500 companies use Azure services for their cloud computing needs. Moreover, Azure supports multiple programming languages, including Java, Node.js, and C#. Its global presence is reinforced by numerous data centers around the world. Azure, like other cloud platforms, relies on a technology known as virtualization. Virtualization emulates computer hardware and software, separating the tight coupling between hardware components and the operating system. Azure can run multiple virtual machines simultaneously, optimizing the capacity of the abstracted hardware. It is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Scaling virtualization in Azure takes place on a massive level. Each data center comprises many racks filled with servers, with each server including a hypervisor to run multiple virtual machines. Network switches provide connectivity among the servers. Additionally, Azure employs Fabric controllers and orchestrators to manage everything in the Azure ecosystem, including responding to user requests. Enterprises can build a wide range of solutions on Microsoft Azure, including Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. Azure offers flexibility and scalability to meet the diverse needs of organizations. Let's explore some examples of Azure solutions. You can use Azure for web and mobile app hosting, data storage and analytics, AI and machine learning services, Internet of Things, IoT, solutions, DevOps, and continuous integration/continuous deployment, C/CD, among others. In conclusion, Azure is a powerful and flexible cloud platform that provides affordable solutions for enterprises. By leveraging Azure, you can address today's challenges and shape the future of your organization. Thank you for watching this introduction to Microsoft Azure. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on Azure and cloud computing.